Firestorm Genesis. My level. Play this now, guys, on RTDPS, Geometry Dash, full version original, and other like GDPS. So I'm gonna beat this now. I make head hitters for make the gameplay harder, but you won't see it's later because this is my level, guys. So watch to the end. This is platformer 1 minute plus. Yes, I'm gonna get it for its 1 minute. Google, walk with level, and run for walk hopper. So in this case, I'm going up. But now is April Fool's Day. It is a really bad joke. Yeah. To play this is my level. Thanks for playing, guys. And goodbye. Happy April Fool's Day. So it's not April, but I will show you the April Fool's Day.